Okay. E. So these are E. So you are so it goes like this. Then I'll play the second part. You So start from this side. You're going to start from 6, 7, 1. This side you start from 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1. So it's 4, 5, 1. So that is this side you're playing the C sharp, G, E flat, C sharp, D sharp, and E. This side you're playing the E, the A, which is the 4 in E, the 4, which is A, B, and E. So you are alpha. Then when playing this side, this is the 4 diminished. You play with this side with the 2. This side you play the 2, 3, 4, 3. This side you play the 4 diminished, 5 diminished, and the flat 6 diminished. Yeah. So it's yeah. So you are alpha. Then we worship you. So sorry for the and omega. So we worship. This is a 1 and 3. This is for so this is like this one. This is the 6th major. So we so the second part, we give you all. So we give you. So still on E. So it start from 1, but this one start from 3.